in the car lighting is bomb.com. Tiereney, and yeah, I'm in my car. I'm waiting on my friend for brunch, but as I was getting ready to leave, I got a package. And if y'all know me, like I said, mama gets very excited when she gets packages, so she has to open her stuff when she gets it, or she will never undo an unboxing for y'all, and then all the footage is lost because mama done opened her package up and threw it away and I ain't got it. But anyway, y'all are here for this unboxing. I am so excited. I ordered this bag a month ago on May the 11th. I knew it was going to be on pre-order, but they kept pushing the date forward, and I was like, I'm never going to get this bag. I'm just going to cancel my order and try to find it for a reseller. Resellers were selling this bag for $200-300. The bag retails for $85, but we'll talk about that more when we get into the unboxing. I have my address. So y'all, this is my Brandon Blackwood ESR Tote. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I didn't know anything about Brandon Blackwood until I got my site store bag, and then I was following them and I saw somebody compare their bag, someone had their Brandon Blackwood bag next to their friend's site store bag, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so dope. Well, I started following Brandon Blackwood and soon discovered that the ESR tote was gone. He was never bringing it back, but he would have it in some stores, Saks, Nordstrom, So I turned them post notifications on, girl, because I wanted to make sure I got my hands on this bag. So when it went in stock on Saks, I was one of the first people to order, got it. It sold out in minutes, and here it is. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Like, I have wanted this bag. I thought I was never gonna get it, and I was not gonna pay nobody $300 for $85 bag. That was just not gonna happen. But I was patient, and the Lord saw fit to bless me with a Brandon Blackwood ESR. Oh, I'm not even a mini bag girl, but this is so cute. I have one other mini bag. I think my Givenchy Nightingale is like a mini size, and I never carry that bag. I'm thinking about selling it. If y'all want it, let me know. But oh my gosh, this is so cute. It says end systemic racism. There was a little drama about the quality of these, but I don't see any real quality issues for an $80 bag. I mean, $80 is still expensive, but yeah, I don't know. I'm the purse girl, so to me, an $80 bag is like low end. And not that I got money like that, so don't even, like let me just shut up, because y'all, sis don't be balling. I be working hard, y'all. My job be stressing me out. I be working hard for these purses, but I like what I like. I want what I want, and if I want it, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna figure out a way to get it within reason. But we ain't even gotta talk about that either. But look at this. Isn't this cute? Oh, this is so darling. I'm going on vacation for the 4th of July, and I'm so going to be carrying this. It's like my crossbody, like travel type bag. Oh, this is just so darling. I love it. Oh, this is cute. I will be back, of course, with the review to let you guys know how this holds up. I don't see me using this as a day-to-day bag, only because of the size, and it is in this satin color. It's not going to be durable like I need it to be for what I do with purses. So I won't say this is going to be a day-to-day, but this is definitely a special occasion crossbody, like I want to say, like, you know, daytime cuteness bag. This is not gonna be the day-to-day with the snacks and the Hot Wheels and the Fruit Loops in it, but definitely like a cute, you could do this date night, brunch with your girls, that type of situation. So, and people are in this car beside me looking at me like I'm crazy, but you know, I make it happen for y'all. That is all I got, girl. Please stay tuned. I will be doing a full review after I put some wear and tear on this bad boy in the future, but I've just had to get this out today because I'm so excited about this bag. All right. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.